Messages of Peace, Messages from Allied Grammar School, a documentary where our students and teachers come together to share messages of peace, unity, and understanding in celebration of Pakistan's Independence Day. Today, on 14th of August, we celebrate the birth of our nation, Pakistan, as we honor the sacrifices made for our freedom. The Allied Grammar School community reaffirms its commitment to fostering respect, togetherness, and national pride. Here we share our aspirations for a peaceful future, grounded in the values that define our independence.
Peace means everyone getting along and being kind to each other.
We can promote unity by working together and respecting each other's differences.
Tolerance is important because it helps us to understand and to appreciate people who are different from us.
Peace begins in our classrooms when we teach our students the values of kindness and respect.
Unity is our strength. By embracing diversity, we create a stronger, more vibrant community.
Unity in diversity is Pakistan's strength. By embracing our differences, we create a stronger, more inclusive society.
Tolerance is about to understanding that we all have something unique to offer. It's about listening from each other just as we do in our united Pakistan. Tolerance.
Peace means justice and equality. Peace is not just the absence of conflict, it's a presence of justice and equality. Our commitment to the peace, unity, and understanding, inspired by the spirit of Pakistan's independence, is shown in the activities we do together at Allied Grammar School.
At our school, every voice matters. Together, we build a community grounded in respect and unity. When we embrace our differences and unite as one, we create a peaceful and strong foundation for the future.
Together, we can build a future where peace, unity, and understanding are the cornerstones of our community, just as they were in the vision of our nation's founders. We are the voices of peace. Let's spread love, kindness, and patriotism today and always. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Let's each do our part to create a world filled with peace and unity, fulfilling the dreams of our forefathers of Pakistan.